Hey guys, welcome back to Tammy's Kitchen. I'm back again with a new video for you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the yummiest chicken sandwich at home. This sandwich you can have it as breakfast, snack or even lunch. It's so simple and yet so delicious. So let's start. First on my ingredients list here I have leftover chicken, deep fried chicken. This is the best item. This is the best recipe to use when you have leftover chicken. Here I have some capsicum, also known as pilipili hoho. Here I have some tomato. Here I have one sliced in half onion, and I have some dhania. And here I have one chili. And my spices are just here when we are going to start the mix. I'm going to first start off by shredding my chicken. You can just use your hands. It's just so simple. You just shred it like this. I'm just going to keep shredding it like this till they're in small pieces. Make sure you use this with clean hands. I'm almost done shredding my chicken, so I'm just going to keep shredding it. Make sure you have shredded all the pieces of chicken. This is the best part, the crunchy part. I always love this part. And here you have it, your shredded chicken. Now I'm going to start off by slicing all my ingredients. I'm going to start off by slicing this onion. Make sure you be careful with knives. Make sure you have an adult besides to help. Only half an onion is enough. Now you're going to take our tomato, slice it in half, and put the other half aside. Now you're going to cut this tomato. Here I've just sliced everything, and now it's time to cook our chicken. Now I'm going to add some oil into my pan. I've already turned the pan on, and I'm going to let it start heating up. But when it's starting to heat up, I'm going to add in all my ingredients. First the onions, then the tomatoes and the capsicum, and also my chilies. I'm going to give them one mix. Now I'm going to let my onions cook and the tomatoes and the capsicum. As my tomatoes are still cooking, I'm going to add all my spices. First, I'm going to add a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a little bit of paprika. Those are all the spices you need. You are going to give it one more mix and let it cook. Now we are going to add our chicken and we give it a stir. And a little bit of salt. And we are going to add our pilipili. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our capsicum. And we are going to add our onions. And we are going to add our pilipili. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our capsicum. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our pilipili. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our capsicum. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our pilipili. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our capsicum. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our pilipili. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our capsicum. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our pilipili. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our capsicum. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our pilipili. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our capsicum. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our pilipili. And we are going to add our hoho. And we are going to add our capsicum. For this chicken sandwich, you don't need to add some stew to your chicken, because it's just like we are going to put it on a piece of bread, so it doesn't have to be moist. After stirring our chicken for about 2 minutes, it's finally done. I'm going to switch off the heat and give it one more stir. And there you have it, our chicken for our chicken salad. I've turned on my toaster. Now I'm going to assemble my dish. I'm going to take one piece of bread and place the chicken. I'm going to take out this piece of chili and I'm going to stuff it with chicken. Make sure it reaches all the corners. I'm going to take the other piece of bread and place it on top. I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to add another slice. Then take out this piece of chili. Then take another piece of bread. And now my toaster is already heated. Now I'm going to place my pieces of bread on top. I'm going to close it. You are going to let it toast as you work on the rest of the pieces of bread. This chicken is smelling so nice. I can't wait to have breakfast. And I surely know that my brother is going to enjoy this. Now my last piece of bread, I'm going to stuff it with chicken. And it's done. My toast is finally ready, so let's check on it. It's finally toasted. Now here is my finally toasted bread. It looks yummy and it smells so delicious. I hope you guys try to make this recipe for your family and friends. And if you guys who don't have a toaster or don't like using the toaster, you can just enjoy your chicken sandwich just the way it is. It's still as delicious as the toasted one. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I surely hope that you try it at home with your family and friends, and I'm 100% sure that you will enjoy it as I'm going to enjoy it right now. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!